Welcome, I'm Scott, and this is my YouTube channel, The Quilting Camper. I'm not camping, but I'm definitely by Lake Michigan. This is the ocean in the Midwest. Today, we are featuring the unboxing of the May 2026 Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler Box. I hope you'll join me with nature. Welcome back, y'all. So happy that you can join me today on the Quilting Camper as we unbox the May 2026 Sew Sampler Box. This was another stellar box. We just celebrated the 10th anniversary of Sew Sampler back in April, and now we have the May 2026 box. Now, you guys know that I am officially an affiliate with Fat Quarter Shop. You can use this code right here and the link below to sign up for any of these boxes or anything on the website. I get a very small commission being an affiliate, but it lets Fat Quarter Shop know that I am a good representation for your quilting needs when you use that code, and it helps me out. I do pay for all my boxes. I pay $34.99 plus tax and shipping, which is the going rate right now for these boxes. They relatively are around $65 to $85 in value, and you'll have to stay tuned to find out what today's value is. Now, you will notice I am in a different place. I'm not in my sewing studio at my apartment. I thought it would be a great time for me to be out in nature because I do go camping in the summertime here in Wisconsin. But can you believe this view behind me? I thought this looked like blue screen. I'm like, nope, this is the real deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the scene before we go into the unboxing. So you guys, this is Vermont Park. This is a county park of Ozaukee County, just north of Milwaukee. And you are looking at Lake Michigan. If you're not familiar, this is a great lake in the Midwest. I am on a bluff, which is very common here in the southeastern Wisconsin area because of all the erosion over the years. But isn't this a beautiful place? And then if I go around this way, you can see all the trees, and this is typical Wisconsin in the summer. Just listening to the waves and the birds singing, it's just so peaceful. So these are interesting invasive species called Dame's rockets. They bloom this time of year, around late May, early June, and they're just beautiful and they smell incredible. But they are invasive because they take over. But they're so pretty. And check out the sun through the trees. Okay. You get to enjoy nature behind me while we do this unboxing. And welcome to my channel, you guys. If you're new, I am the Quilting Camper. If you like what you see today, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Share my content with the world, your friends and family. Let them know the Quilting Camper is a thing. And also, I have neglected my blog for quite a while, and I'm so sorry, but I have been posting there about at least one post per week in the last month. So make sure you go check out thequiltingcamper.com. Without further ado, let's open up the May 2026 Sew Sampler Box. Coral Me Happy. What a cute theme. And for those of you that don't know, on the other side, we have some special codes that we can use to get a discount off of something for that month. And this month it is get a free copy of the Quilty Fun book with your next $60 purchase. That's always fun to get a cool book. And it's kind of a hint of what's in this box. With every Sew Sampler box, we get a cute little leaflet that has all the descriptions of the things in the box, plus this awesome grouping. I mean, it just gives you a nice idea of the things that are in this box. It tells you the prices and gives you some cute write-ups. Let's see, the first item, triangles on a roll. These are an exclusive through It's So Emma, which is a Fat Quarter Shop brand. I will have a QR code right here that will take you to all the triangles on a roll and any foundation paper piecing on the Fat Quarter Shop website. This one here creates a 2 3/4 inch finished block. Foundation paper piecing is the secret to perfect edges and points that meet. And this product is genius. Kimberly Jolly on her YouTube channel for Fat Quarter Shop explained where they originally got these from, how they were able to rebrand them and purchase it. So now they sell it to all of you. I can't make better half square triangles than what these can create. A lot of bugs out here. Thank goodness they don't bite. So triangles on a roll, a value of $15.98. Bring a wave. Bring a wave. I mean, literally, we can bring the waves right here, right? Bring the wave of precision of your quilting with this 2.75 half square triangle paper. Whether you're just starting out as a seasonal pro, these triangles on a roll make it easy to achieve perfectly crisp points and match corners every time. Just unroll what you need, let the guides lead you the way, and tuck the rest away for a tidy workspace. Your projects will glide together smoothly, like a calm tide carrying every piece right in place. Try it with the white caps pattern inside this box. And they are right. What's nice about triangles on a roll is you roll them out and you cut what you need and you can roll it back. What a great thing to get in a box. I always enjoy getting foundation paper piecing products in these boxes. Okay, the second item in this box is a doozy. It's a block tool book. What I love about this book is it gives you all of the standard basic blocks of quilting in full color layouts. What a great idea to get in a Sew Sampler box. I would never think of buying this in a store, but I know this is going to be a great tool. It's like 110 quilt blocks in 5 sizes. Quick and Easy All-Stars Block Tool by Debbie Rogers for C&T Publishing, a value of $18.98. Gaze into a sea of starry possibilities with the Quick and Easy All-Star Block Tool Quilt Book by Debbie Rogers. Inside, you'll discover 110 dazzling star blocks and inspiring project ideas that offer endless versatility for your quilts. This approachable guide is packed with helpful tips, clear diagrams, and handy yardage charts in multiple sizes to bring confidence to every step. With pre-cut friendly layouts and organized reference tables, planning your masterpiece is as smooth as a summer breeze. It's almost summer. It's not quite, but it's getting there. I just love how simple the layouts are, and it really shows you how to create 110 different blocks. Now, the Quilting Camper, I actually have a block I chose for my brand, and that is the Churn Dash block. As it turns out, there's a fun little quilt idea in here that is a churn dash right here and this QR code because it's a free pattern for anybody. The next items are the patterns, and Sew Sampler's done a really great job of putting all the patterns together in a nice little Ziploc pouch. And you know, for the 10th anniversary, they've done something special by including a previous released exclusive pattern from the Sew Sampler box. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show the cover of the patterns. I'm not gonna read the descriptions for each one. This one here is the block of the month. It's the Spooled Quilt Along, block number 2. You can download these blocks on the Fat Quarter Shop website for $4.98. This is the Starflower pattern. This is a previous release pattern from the Fat Quarter Shop in a previous Sew Sampler box, and these are valued at $9.98. And this is the White Caps pattern that is featured in this month's box for May 2026. What I love about these patterns from Fat Quarter Shop, not only are they exclusive to the Sew Sampler box, but they also include everything you need on the back, including binding, backing, and background fabric. They also show you the triangles on a roll to help you make this quilt. So of course, the last item in this box is the piece de resistance, as we say here at the Quilting Camper, and it is the fabric. The fabric is Tula Pink. She kind of inspired me to quilt. That's because my Bernina that I had purchased in 2019 was the Tula Pink edition. And then of course, when we went through the pandemic that nobody was expecting, I started watching Fat Quarter Shop videos, saw interviews with Kimberly Jolly and Tula and many other cool people that appeared on the show, from Moda Fabrics, Free Spirit, many other, I call them quilting celebrities. I was inspired to learn how to quilt during the pandemic, and that's where the Quilting Camper came from. And of course, my love for camping and nature and photography. It looks like it's a 10-inch stacker, if I'm not mistaken. It's a value of $23.48. White Caps Floral Reef Petite 10-inch Stacker by Tula Pink for Free Spirit Fabric. Make a splash on your next project with this hand-picked set of 20 10-inch squares from Floral Reef by Tula Pink. This Floral Reef collection is bursting with reef-inspired colors, lively corals, aquatic blues, playful sea life that float perfectly into the White Caps quilt pattern. Each pre-cut square feels like a little underwater treasure, bringing a fresh tide of seaside whimsy right to your sewing table. And now y'all wonder why I'm at Lake Michigan. Now granted, there's no coral reefs in Lake Michigan, but it's the closest place I can get to a large body of water for the theme of this box. And I'm going to show you some of the colorways right here. So what do you guys think? Is this a Coral Me Happy box? I know that's a fun play on words. Color me happy, coral me happy. Coral reefs have a lot of colors, so I can understand the theme of this box. Getting Tula Pink fabric is always a blessing. Her colorways just are exciting. I also have another set of triangles on a roll that can go into my kit. And the patterns are nice, but I really like the Quilt Tool block book. To have 110 different blocks with 5 different sizes of each block and all the measurements I need to make those blocks. What a wonderful thing to have. This is a great box. It's valued at $75 and I paid $34.99 plus tax and shipping. Tell me in the comments below, what's your favorite item? Was there anything stellar for you in this box? Do you think that book is really invaluable? I think for most quilters that are starting, that book is pretty rockin'. I mean, I'm really excited about it. And of course, are you a fan of Tula Pink? If so, let me know in the comments below. Tell me what your favorite collection from Tula was. I'd love to know. Well, thanks everybody for joining me here on the Quilting Camper. Remember, if you like what you saw today, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and don't forget to share my content. Let people know that the Quilting Camper is a thing. Also, check out my website, thequiltingcamper.com. I hope you guys enjoyed the view of Lake Michigan today. It was such a pleasure to be able to shoot my video somewhere other than in my studio. And now you get a little taste of Lake Michigan, especially if you're not from around here. I still can't get over this backdrop. It's unbelievable. Thanks, everyone. I really hope you have the start of a wonderful summer. Happy June. And remember, share kindness whenever you can. This is a really great time to celebrate all of us as unique individuals. There's so much time for us to share what we love with each other. Thank you so much. Until we see you on the next one, bye for now. Once again, thank you for watching. Check out some of my other YouTube videos on my channel, The Quilting Camper. See you really soon.